subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After several leaks and rumors, Motorola has finally launched the Moto G 5G 2023 edition smartphone in the US market. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Moto G 5G 2023 edition features a 6.5-inch HD Plus IPS display with up to 120Hz refresh rate support, and it has a tall 20:1 aspect ratio. The phone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 Plus chipset, paired with Adreno 690 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of optics, the Moto G 5G 2023 edition supports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 48MP main camera with f1.7 aperture along with the 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has 8MP selfie shooter at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 15W fast charging support, and it runs on latest Android 13 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.94 by 74.98 by 8.39mm, and it weighs around 189 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Moto G 5G 2023 edition smartphone has been priced in the US market at $250, and it is set to go on sale in the country starting from May 25th in ink blue and Hubber mist color options. So what do you guys think of this Moto G 5G 2023 edition smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.